If you're self-employed, you're a self-starter. You're passionate about your independence. You grab life by the horns and say, I'm going to be free. I'm going to have a choice. I'm going to file for a T2125? Wait, what? Whether you have a side hustle or you're self-employed full-time, you have to be a lot of things, all at the same time. And sometimes the financial side of things can fall through the cracks. That's why QuickBooks Self-Employed is here to keep your financials organized and take the stress out of tax time by helping you do things like track your expenses effortlessly, snap and sort receipts on your phone, maximize your mileage deductions, invoice your customers and get paid, easily prepare your year-end financials, get answers to your questions using just your voice. Discover everything QuickBooks Self-Employed can do for you.